Dr. Ram Narayan, Senior Neurosurgeon in Chennai. I focus on functional or restorative neurosurgery. That is, by surgical means, we can try to bring back the normal function in patients who have lost these functions. Today, I'll be talking on about depression, including the surgical treatments for depression. Depression, as you know, is becoming more and more severe, and we are hearing more and more patients especially because of the current COVID crisis, and we also see a lot of celebrities having this problem. Depression means basically, there's a loss of self-esteem, loss of helplessness, loss of hope. There's a loss of hope, and that is hopelessness and helplessness. And patients become very lethargic, and also, they lose their sleep, they lose their appetite, and all that. Depression usually is due to various stress-induced conditions, including loss of financial problems, including loss of job, other marital and other problems, things like that. So people go into depression. Of course, exact pathologies and all are not known, but depression can be really a problem. In fact, the other major problem is with depression is about 20 to 25% of people tend to commit suicide because of depression, and this can be a really alarming situation, especially with more and more patients becoming depressed. The treatment of depression is usually, there are multiple methods of treatment. One is what is called cognitive behavioral therapy. A lot of patients do get benefit with this cognitive behavioral therapy. The other treatments include medications like antidepressants and all that. Some doctors also advise electroconvulsive therapy. Usually, most of the patients do get good benefit from all these therapies, and generally with counseling and other helpful techniques, most of the patients do come back out of the depression and get back to normal life. But there remains a small percentage, say 10 to 15% of patients who do not benefit from any of these treatment and tend to continue to be depressed, which we call treatment-resistant depression. For these conditions, nowadays, surgery is a preferred method of treatment. There are two surgeries which are done, but the surgeries which we are now practicing and which is approved by the FDA, US FDA, the Food and Drug Administration of the United States government, is called vagal nerve stimulation. Vagal nerve is a nerve which goes from the brain to the stomach and all that structures, the heart, the stomach, and all the structures. The vagal nerve can be stimulated at the neck. Here, that is usually it's done on the left side. There's a stimulator which is put on the vagal nerve here, and a battery is put in the chest. And this stimulator can control depression. This is a very well approved treatment and well accepted treatment, and can be very effective in good number of patients. This treatment, as I said earlier, is approved by the FDA.